Hi there, Tudor here from ecommerceplatforms.com. Welcome back to our channel where we share all things e-commerce. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the process of setting up your blog on Shopify in under 5 minutes. But before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss any of our upcoming tutorials. Alright then, let's get started. The first step is to visit the blog post page. This is visible under the online store on the left-hand menu. Let's dive into the creative process of writing your amazing blog post. Start by giving your post a catchy title. After this, write your content with a simple and user-friendly text editor. You can even add images from various sources, including your own product images. And here's a little secret to boost your SEO game. Don't forget to add descriptive alt text to your images and specify their size. Next, add the excerpt. This is a short text that will be visible on the blog card, giving your readers a glimpse of your post. Now take your time to review the quick SEO settings. Moving forward, set the visibility of your post. Don't forget to add an amazing featured image too. Lastly, organize your content by specifying the author, the blog, and the tags. You can even use a custom template for each post. Finally, save your masterpiece and let Shopify do its magic. It's time to show the world your amazing piece of content. To do this, select the navigation menu where you want to add the blog. Now, just like adding any other page, simply add the blog page to the selected menu. Finally, don't forget to save these changes. Congratulations, your blog is now live! But before we wrap things up, please take a moment to ensure everything looks as amazing as you imagined. To do this, simply visit your Shopify storefront and explore your blog page design. There you have it! A quick 3-step guide on how to start a blog on Shopify. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others. And if you have any questions or comments, please drop them below. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next one.